Teachers can use the geometry tool from the Toolkit for Maths to explore, point out and discuss the properties of 2D shapes and these 3D shapes. For example, you can click on the cuboid and that brings up the little interface here with the properties of a cuboid. So for example, you can click on show name cuboid, you can click on show net and it will reveal the net or hide net. You can also rotate the cuboid using the mouse, so you can rotate it through 360 degrees. The next thing is how many vertices has a cuboid got, and here we can see that it has 8, but you can rotate it and each of the vertices has a little red dot at each, so you can count the vertices. Next you can count the edges, so cuboid has 12 edges, and again you can rotate it as you would the physical cuboid in the class and discuss, point out and talk about the edges, the faces and the vertices. And again we have 6 faces, and again you can rotate it to point out the various faces, the 6 faces, the 8 vertices or the 12 edges, and you can do that for each of the 3D shapes. Also you have the 2D shapes, and here we are looking at vertices and sides. Again, if you were using this with your class, you might point at 3D shape, ask the children to name the shape, perhaps to write it on a dry white marker board, hold it up, display it, show it to you, and again then you can click on show name and they can correct it themselves. And then you might ask them how many vertices, edges and faces, and again they would record those on a dry white marker board and you would correct them here up on the interactive whiteboard screen. So you have your 2D shapes, you have your 3D shapes. Again, you can use your pen tool to write and to point out and draw arrows on the work surface. And if you're looking for ideas and some more detail on how to operate the geometry tool, just go to the teacher's notes and you will have everything there.